Yeah, QSL Pete, we're just doing a bit of recording for YouTube as well. But you're absolutely romping in. You're 5'9", sometimes you're hitting 10 dB, so absolutely perfect conditions. But as for temperature, it's on the cool side. The sun's out, the cloud's out. A bit windy at the moment though, but I'm hoping the spring weather is going to warm up shortly. I hope, Pete. Over.